Vanakkam and good morning, friends. Today we are going to see about a blog development with a professional touch by means of adding templates. So today's video I am giving a template. It's totally free of cost. How to add this template to make our blog very professional looks. First you move on to your Google. Then you go to your site. The three buttons are there. Just you click over there. You can have blogger. Just click the blogger. After clicking, you have a thing. Just you click on the yellow button, create your blog. Before that you have to sign in. So just click that. Then it asks your mail ID and password. Just click your mail ID and password. For creation of blog you need a Google account. Okay, then it's over. After that it's showing what is your blog is meant for. Just give your name for your blog. Just I give my college name. Just like you can give your subject also. Then you can get a URL, that is it should be a unique one. If it is not available, it is in showing a red signal. If it is in green, then it is available for you. So it's showing red, so it is already taken. So you can move on to some other options. That URL should be a catchy one. Not only that, it should be a unique one. So like that you can prepare your own ID. Just I give SRKV education, so it's available. Just I click next. Again it's confirm your name, what I give in the previous options, SRKV education, or you can give SRKV just like that. You can give your own name which is display as a display name in your blog. So just like that we all see most of the blogs having Palli Kelvi like that, Padasalai. So it's saying that it is your blog. After that you can see all the options on your left hand side. Pages, post. First we move on to post. So in this video I am just quick rushing that how to implement a template in your video. Just click pages. After that you can go on new post. If you give post, you can go on to move new post. Type of the title. So it is a temporary one. I am showing a very quick way. SRKV education. I just give welcome you or welcome. Okay, so with that we can see how our blog is looks like. Then how after it look after installing our template. So just I click welcome. You can have the publish button on your right hand side corner top. You can see the preview also. In the preview itself you can see how it's look like for your system, PC, tab, mobile, all the version you can see in your preview. Just like that you can adjust your font size, color, everything. So I am going to publish this video. This is a link which I give in the description for downloading your template. Just you click the link. It's showing that download this version. Just download the version without footer removed or without footer. Just click OK. It download a zip file. Then just I am going to maximize it. Just extract this zip file in a folder. It having 3 or 4 files. It is containing an XML file. This file only we are going to upload or incorporate in our blog. Okay, this is already prepared template. This we can easily modify for our purpose and we can customize. Then move on to the blog. Before that I am going to publish. Okay, I publish a page. You can add your own page. After that you can see the theme on your left hand side. Just click the theme. Here we have already loaded with the default themes. These themes also you can use. Here we are going to upload our own theme. Just click the theme. You have an option restore. Just click the restore. Then it is asking upload. Just click the upload button. It's showing to our page. There is an XML file. Just click and open. This take a few minutes. It will upload all the things what is happen in the extraction file. Then it will upload it. There is no preview, but you can get the preview of the left hand side down. You can see view blog. If you click view blog, our blog is look like a professional blog with the scrolling, all the social media activities, images, all the things will be included. You can see all the drop down box. This everything already present in the template. This we can easily customize, that we can see in the next videos. First, in this video just we are uploaded the theme for our blog. Okay, how we can alter, how we can change all these things, that we see in the next video. Before that, I'm just giving a gist. You can go to your blog, back to the blog. There is an option called layout. On the left hand side you can see the option is called layout. You can see post, new post also you can give. Here you can see pages, layout option is there. Just click layout, you can see the whole layout which is already present in the theme. This each and every layout we can edit, we can customize, we can remove, or we can add some more new concepts or new items in our blog. I think this video is a very fast video for your beginners. Just keep on doing this thing. If you have any doubts, just make a comment in our comment box. We will help to make your blog very professional, and we can go on keep on posting for your how to monetize your blog also. Thank you for watching. Share with your friends. Thank you.